This is totally our view from the hotel room balcony where we smoke at. So here's my favorite thing in the whole state, palm trees. Here's my next favorite thing in the whole state, little man. Lee, he runs close second. Third. Just the tree and little man. No, I love me some Lee. There's a palm tree right there close to that. I will be bringing one back to Texas with me.